Hey, first grade. So today we're going to be working on sorting shapes. So on my screen I have 6 different shape cards. And we're going to group them together by their similarities, the shapes that go together, and some of the shapes that have the same attributes, okay? They share a common attribute. And we're going to group them into 2 different groups, 3 different groups, 4 different groups, however many numbers of groups you have. Every card has to go into a group. Now, later, we're going to be working on a sorting poster, okay? So you're going to be sorting shapes and putting it on a poster board and sharing that, which is going to be awesome. Now, right now, I just have 6, but you later on may have a lot more than just 6 shapes. So, if I asked you, how could we sort the 6 cards that I have on my screen right now? Could you separate the cards that I have on my screen right now into maybe 2 different groups? Maybe we could do all of the shapes that have straight lines in one group, and then those that have curved lines in another group. Is that one way to do it? Okay. Now, what if somebody says you could put all the squares together? So I'd have 2 shapes that go together, and all the other shapes go over here, right? Okay, that's another way. So there are many different ways to sort shapes. You could do the number of sides in a shape. So we could say all of the shapes that have 4 sides over here. Okay, all of the shapes that don't have 4 can come over here. Okay, makes sense? Again, there are many different ways to sort shapes into groups using common attributes of the shapes. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye, first grade.